Hello, welcome to Nothing's in the Fridge, Episode 4, the show where we break boundaries and, change lives. Okay, today, the, we're gonna make corn muffins or cornbread. And note that this is America's favorite. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, we're gonna think, because apparently you're supposed to put these make them into muffins, but I just have this thing, so yeah. Now we're gonna make the batter. As always, remember to wash your hands to avoid being gross. Now, according to this thing, it says, well, you gotta open it first. And then I'm gonna take this, an egg, and a third of a cup of milk. So, let's see how this goes. That's what it looks like. I'm not gonna say what it looks like, but it looks like the yellow version of something. Okay, there's a third of a cup. Make sure you use a spoon that has a weird shape to it. It makes it more fun to cook with. You're just staring at my V-neck. Is that it? Yeah, that's apparently it. Now you're gonna sit there and watch me mix this for 4 minutes. Now I realized it doesn't look like there's enough in here to fill up that pan. But it's okay, because there's something called the doubling effect, which is where you just double everything in a recipe. There you go. Nice and whipped, like a good boyfriend. Now, this pan's already cleaned. Yeah, it is. Okay. And you want to spray it down. So now, there's a layer. Get this mix out. Oh, did I mention that we're making cornbread? Now, we're going to put this in the oven. Get it baking. Not bacon, baking. Remember, you always want safety. Because the coolest people in the world are safe about everything, right? Slide it in. And now we're going to wait here for 30 minutes. Now this is personal preference. Usually when I have the oven on, I like to sit right next to it and watch it bake the entire time. It's growing. Look at you. Put all that time, all that work in on you. You're growing up, and then I'm gonna eat you. Just like a mama cat eats her babies. Now, according to Google and my mother, the way you check to see if it's done is to open this up, slide it out, and you want to put a knife down in it. And if it's clean, it's done. So I'm guessing this guy's done, because I need to let you participate. Yeah. So, let's slide them out. Nice golden brown. I think that's about it. And here you have it. Nice cornbread. I usually do a taste test, however, I will not be doing one today because I'll be serving this to people. Now I know what you're thinking. You can't just serve food you don't know if it's good or not to people. You monster, that's crazy. To which I say, that sentence was horrible. Take some time to put it together in your head, and yeah, it's gonna be great. So, you know, we'll see, but I already know it's gonna be a slam hit. So, join us next week.